Hello there, guys. Welcome back to a short online tutorial. Today we're based in Adobe Photoshop. And as always, your good friend Jack from Blue Sky Graphic is back here to show you some really cool stuff. The reason why we're here is because I would like to discuss with you the advanced clone within Adobe Photoshop. What I would like to do is remove this road sign here, Melbourne Terrace, and I would like there just to be a brick feel to coincide with the wall that it's sitting on. And what I would like to do, like I say, is go through your advanced clone, just give you some ideas and some tips and how you can really use it to remove stuff and really get a real cool finish. So with this layer highlighted, I'm now going to go to Filter, Vanishing Point. What we need to do is use this tool here, the plane tool. And what that does is it allows us to create a plane over what we want to remove and use as the clone. So I'm going to come through here, click my first point, probably around, let's say, here maybe, coming back here. The reason why I'm coming here, guys, is because I want to use that space here to clone over here. Now, as you can see, when we come up to our toolbar, we have the stamp tool here, like so. Keyboard shortcut is S. So now what I need to do is find the point of where I want to clone from. So if I come here, the keyboard shortcut for Mac users is Option and click, and for Windows users is Alt and click, like so. So now I have my point. And what I can do now is come through and start to remove the spaces here. And you can see that cross, that green cross, that's what I'm copying over. Slowly does it, like so. And now I press OK. Not a bad result. If you're interested in finding out more about the school, the courses that we offer, please take a look at our website at blueskygraphics.co.uk. Thank you very much, guys. Take care, and I'll see you next time.